In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Salesforce plugin to Outlook. We'll walk through this using Outlook on the web so you can follow along in any browser. By the end, you'll have the Salesforce add-in installed, signed in, and ready to use right inside your mailbox. Start by opening your browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type Outlook, then open the official Outlook site. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in with your Outlook account so you land in your inbox. Once you're in your mailbox, begin composing a message by selecting New Mail. This brings up the Compose window and reveals the toolbar where you'll access add-ins. Look for the small square icon at the top that opens the Apps and Add-ins menu. Click that icon to expand the options. From that menu, choose Get Add-ins. This opens Microsoft's Add-in Store, where you can browse and install tools that work within Outlook. In the store's search bar, type Salesforce. You should see the Salesforce add-in appear in the results with details about what it does and the permissions it needs. Select the Salesforce add-in to open its details page, then click Add. Outlook may ask you to confirm permissions. Approve the prompt, and Outlook will install the add-in for your account. Installation usually takes just a moment and doesn't require a restart. After it's added, open the Salesforce panel from the toolbar. The first time you launch it, you'll be asked to sign in. Use your standard Salesforce credentials. And if your organization uses a specific environment like production or sandbox, pick the correct one during sign-in. If your company uses single sign-on, you might be redirected to your organization's login page to complete authentication. Grant any permission prompts so the add-in can connect to your Salesforce data securely. With sign-in complete, the Salesforce panel will load inside Outlook. From here, you can see Salesforce information related to the people you're emailing, log emails to contacts, leads, or opportunities, and create activities without leaving your inbox. If you compose or open an email, the add-in can help you relate that message to the right record so your team has full context back in Salesforce. If you don't see the Get Add-ins option, you may be on a work account where add-ins are controlled by an administrator. In that case, check with your IT team. Otherwise, you're all set. You've opened Outlook, installed the Salesforce add-in, signed in, and now you can use Salesforce directly inside Outlook to save time and keep your CRM data up to date.